Alright, so if you were watching this weekend, my Sunday ride, we rocked out this Monster 1200R, had a good time with it. So we're going to continue that weekend trend into Tuesday morning, going to work. I like this machine. It is ludicrous speed fast. Sounds really good. It's pretty comfortable. I'm a little on the shorter side, 5'7". So it's a little bit of a reach to the bars. But as long as I keep good posture and keep myself sitting upright, I can relax, not put any stress. Beautifully sculpted tank. Everybody compliments on the motorcycle's aesthetics. Cool little instrumentation. We got different modes we can slide through: urban, touring, and sport. Just hold the button, watch. Hey, dumbass, close the throttle, we'll release the brakes, and we'll change. Boom, now you're in sport mode. So, the new controls on Ducati that have been out for a while now are really a lot easier than the old Italian controls. Running Oleans and Brembo and slow braided lines, hydraulic Brembo master cylinder, Pirelli tires. We did some little mountain carving. It was cold. The ice warning was on. End of April. Like, it's May in a day. What the hell are we still having ice warnings on our screen for? But hey, it was a cold one up on the mountain. That's because we're going out to Craig County. We're gonna kill our time. Went and got some good breakfast at Swinging Bridge. Went back to the Glider Airport, see if we could catch a ride, but it was too windy out. They wouldn't take any passengers up. We're gonna go back and do it again though. We went in Blacksburg, rode around Virginia Tech, seeing what's happening down there. Came back to Salem, did our funny photo shot with who was left of the 5 people that started. Well, Steve Johnson made it in from Lynchburg, so he had an hour commute to get here just to go ride with us for the day. We went out for a good 6 hours. The old man of the racetrack, old David, made it. There's a lowered RT ripping, trying to show me a wheel like always. Crazy old coot. You just gotta get the Ducati warm for it to be able to find neutral easily. Plus it probably needs more miles on it. This machine's only got 485 miles. Consumption averages 31. Average speed 37. Because I've been riding around town in downtown Roanoke yesterday. 52 degrees. It's gonna be a good day out if it's already 52. But controls are super simple and compact. You got a lower, you got an upper, you got your high beam flash over here, push it down for constant high beam. Your gray button in the center of the left control is how we modulate between our urban, touring, and sport modes. Which this is the R model, so it's made for a track bike, man. It's not as long of a wheelbase. It's got larger header pipes, throttle bodies, everything about it made for more power, more agility. Comes with a nice little fly screen, a removable seat cowl, and this is a 2016. So in 2016 when they came out, they had the Monster 1200, Monster 1200S, Monster 1200R release. And the R had the conventional foot pegs and pillion pegs, where the standard model and the S model had the one-piece brackets for pilot and passenger pegs, which really were messing up your heels trying to transition on the pegs. So they got rid of that, fixed that problem. I think the only one left now is the Monster 821 that still has that design. So we got a busy week ahead this weekend. Not only is it Cinco de Mayo, but it's also BMW Demo Days at Frontline Eurosports. The demo truck's coming. We're going to be open Saturday and Sunday. So, missing that old Moto America race down at VIR. But, I'm going to give you guys an abnormal day open to come demo motorcycles. And then the next day, the 7th, I'll take off to VIR myself. We got a California Superbike School, the old Keith Code, Christopher Briscoe, coming to VIR, taking some customers down there. Gonna ride the old Daytona 675 on. The next level is it lets you progress every class you take. You just keep moving on up. And the next weekend after that, we got another track day with PRE. John Allen hosting a performance riding experience at VIR Northport. So I get 2 weekends in a row at North. Got a lot of progression going with the new Moto Men, which hasn't fully been announced yet, but we got a program that I'm working on with a gentleman from Austin, Texas, Mr. Andy Ramon. Get it right. And we're going to be taking from Galveston, Texas to Prudhoe Bay, touching the Gulf of Mexico and the Arctic Ocean. And one long trip on R1200 GSAs, Tiger 800s, Tiger 1200s. I'll be the only one on a Tiger 1200. Triumph's gonna hook me up with a 1200 XCA. Hopefully I want to request the old Matte Marine. They gotta give me the Matte Marine. The other guys will be on GS Adventures. Waiting on confirmation from 2 gentlemen down, one in Australia and the other in New Zealand. They'll be joining us. That'll be good times. We're raising money for cancer victims, disabled American veterans, military service dogs. Good causes. So we're gonna take all backwards up there and surprise some folks with the help of Wounded Warrior and other programs that will help us find these ladies and gentlemen in need across the country. But back to the old Monster. It's a good little commuter. These are comfy. The power's just always there. You just still gotta find in sport mode that 4,000 RPM to get to the sweet spot. Didn't really like urban mode at all. I played with that yesterday when I was cruising around downtown. It's just almost too retarded. Power's too retarded. Touring's not bad. The power's in medium instead of low. I'm just working off all factory defaults. But you can go in and change and manipulate everything just how you want it. Hold the lower button down over here. It'll just bring up a little menu. You go into riding mode. You just select what mode you want to manipulate. And it'll let you change engine power, ABS, and traction control. And then you memorize it, and boom, you quick reference it right there with a little gray button. Everybody knows about riding modes. Almost every bike's got them now, it seems. It's going to be a beautiful day at the store today. Get some motorcycle pictures and videos done so we can get some more stuff out on YouTube for you. See what new bikes are coming in at Frontline. Catch up on cold calls. Oh yeah, the life of a salesman. about it now. Last video with the G310 GS, I was suffering. Had a sinus infection going on. Everything's blooming. Everywhere I was, there was just pollen floating around, and it finally got me. All the traveling and pollen added up to a little week of misery here. I'm getting better. Just sliding on in a neutral. Now the decision, do I put the bike out front, let's leave my plate on it, and take this beast out at the end of the day, or I got some LED headlight working, or actually no, got that in. Controls, I got a new smaller left handlebar control module, so my new ASV lever works on the DRZ 400 Supermoto. I need to do some soldering on that. I had it just blank wired in. Just did your little dry fit. It worked. Now it's time to drop some solder on it. Make it permanent. This guy likes me. Just staring at me.